Black, turn to black. Give him cover fire. Got another one. Come on, get it.
Alright, what's up guys? Ghillie here. Today we're doing something a little different. I had the privilege to use this Crytek LMG. It is custom tuned from Airsoft Breaks, my home store here in Jacksonville. I do have gameplay of it from my perspective, selfie camera, head camera, zoom camera, so you guys get to see that in a minute. I'll include the link to this LMG. I'll include the link to the Airsoft Breaks shop in the description of the video. It is the LMG package and it performed well, man. Let's get right into the video.
Oh, that's a really cool gun.
Oh yeah, it's a custom build.
Yeah, that's really. I was looking at it out there. What rate is this? Okay.
So you still can buy it if you, but it's shooting good. You already got like the rotary hop up installed and it's shooting straight as ever. So definitely reaching too. So yeah.
First time playing with an LMG, so let's try and get close by the bomb so my teammate can plant it. See if we can hold the enemy team back. There we go. So right now I'm in my front line. I was able to stop their bomb carrier. Let's move up a little bit more. I'm just suppressing fire as much as I can with this big box mag, so just long enough until my teammate can come and plant the bomb. There you go, just place it down. Alright, we in business. Now that my team has the bomb plant, let's try and hold them back as long as we can.
Got him.
Taking out right here. Let's get back to respawn and get back in the game. The bomb is still playing, so if I can get back quick enough, we can still hold them off. Right here is the enemy team is trying to flank the right side of the map to get to the bomb, so let's stay over there and just try to hold them back. Bomb is planted and the time is still ticking. There we go.
Got him.
Even at a far distance, I'm still able to lob the BBs across the field with this custom build. Nice.
Hit pull back, pull back. Give him cover fire. Got another one. Come on,
And
get
right
it.
here, the bomb blows up. That's the end of the game. Everybody wraps it up, man. I had fun playing with this custom build. And, yeah, man, if you want to see any more reviews like this, let me know in the comments. Ghillie out.